Hi there, and welcome to our introduction of some of the basic functionality of Report Toaster. Just a little getting started for you. So when you come in, the first thing you'll see is we have this menu on the left-hand side that has all of our reports. We have 80 plus pre-built reports. So you can see order reports, fulfillment reports. So to get started, we made this search menu for you so you could hone in on what you're looking for. So let's say we're looking for something related to variants. Just type variant and I can pick this sales by product variant. That's going to go ahead and show us sales broken down by our products. See all these sales numbers here. But you always have this date range up in the upper right. That's going to be the driver for what period of time you're looking at your data for. So let's change this. We're going to do this for the previous month. So see our sales for the previous month. And instead of daily, let's break this down. Let's do a summary. So it only shows it one row here per product variant that we sold last month. So as you can see, we've got a number of these, and we're going to go ahead and add a few columns. So you can use this little button up here, the columns button that brings up the dialog that allows us to search and find different columns to add. So let's say we want to see our costs related to our sales, and maybe we want to see how much profit we made on all of these sales. I'm going to add these columns here just by dragging them from right to left. And let's say I want to change SKU to be above title. We'll do that, hit OK. We come back, all those changes are in place. I can see my costs and my profits here, and all is good. So let's then say we wanted to filter. Let's say we only wanted to see products where the title contains, say, Swan. Put that, and you can see it quickly limits us to all our products that have Swan in the title. We can add any number of conditions here using pretty much anything in the Shopify data model. You can add ands, ors, you can add groups of conditions, so very powerful function. Let's get rid of these, go back to where we started, and we're going to show you how to sort. So sorting has, three states by column. You can do ascending, descending, or off. This one currently has descending by sales, so we can see which products sold the most. Let's turn this one, let's say we wanted it ascending, see the unicorn sold the least, back to descending, Supreme Swan sold the most, and turn it off. So now we're not sorting by this column. Let's instead sort by title. Now we're sorting ascending by titles. We're getting alphabetical order by our title here. Say we're happy with this report. We can now save it. So we come here to this little paper icon and say Save to My Reports. Let's call this Intro Sales by Product Variant. Hit OK. And we're going to get this over on our My Reports. See, we already have a bunch saved here, but this one's going to be the one we just saved. And that's going to allow us to come back to it later when we want to see it. So we don't have to recreate this or customize this every time. And there's options for these. We can share a link out to others. We can schedule this report to run later. A lot of automations that are available. Let's say we want to take this report and send it to someone or save it for later. We're going to export this to PDF. So I'm going to save that to PDF. When it's done, I can click this and show you what it did. So it's going to bring up this PDF, nicely formatted PDF for you to use. Like I said, you could email this to a coworker. You could save it for later for historical purposes or for later reporting, send to an accountant or something of that sort. So that's the basics. There's a lot more, but we thought we'd get you started with that. So enjoy, and hopefully we'll be talking to you soon. Bye now. Thanks for watching. To watch more tutorials, you can go to support.cloudlab.com or visit our website at cloudlab.com.